Today guys, today we're gonna be doing the electricity is off. I forgot to do that. The electricity is off, and let me put this into this one. Yeah, and it's raining because the storm is about to come. A thunderstorm.
Where's the dog?
Oh, he was at the singing competition or explaining that one. I'm gonna get him. Here. Okay. So let's go ahead and start the role play. Dad, yes. Should I have to call my mom? It's raining, so how she could come in? I don't know.
She'll come on aeroplane.
Oh yeah, I know, Gia. But your mom calls you the girl who copies. My mom will call you the girl who copies. She will call you guys. Okay. I bought these pajamas for the cold. And I'm gonna get Bina is immortal.
Aren't you cold, Melissa?
I'm not cold. I bought Bina's sister and boom. Do you miss your Valentine's Day glasses, your expensive glasses? Yeah. Okay. Are you immortal to rains? Yeah. Are you not wet yet? Okay.
No.
Let's make our breakfast. Okay.
I'm gonna make it. I'm good at breakfast.
Cause your job is to do chef at 2024.
No.
Okay. Bina, what are we gonna do? It's raining. Take the hood off. Yeah, I am taking the hood off. Okay, there we go. You took the hood off. Do you ever go to camping? Yeah, we go to the camping. We have camping stuff. And Melissa's friend was here, and Harsha was here. Let me go walk over there because I'm immortal to rains. Hi, Gia.
Hi.
I'm going to add Layla and Amelia here.
Can you guys kill these two big bag and big girls?
Don't give it to Big Back Percent because he will eat all of the food, all of others' food.
Okay.
Give it to Dad.
Okay. Hey guys, do you need pasta? I mean, no.
Spaghetti? Yep.
Yes.
Go to the dining table. Okay, now let's eat. Why do we eat our hands? Let me get the fork for a moment. And one for Melissa.
Thank you, Dad.
We don't have any wash basin. I'm gonna put it in there instead. Wait, let me see this. Mom bought us some foods, but where are the foods? Big Back Person ate it. Oh, that's That's why it don't.
My ears. Yeah, lightning struck.
Yeah, I know. Okay, Melissa. Where is Melissa?
I don't know. She's at the table.
Okay, so Melissa, don't see your iPad because our electricity will be gone in nighttime. So don't watch iPad, right?
Okay.
And don't find iPad.
Fine.
Let me go to the restroom.
I want to call my mom so much.
I know where the
Yes,
phone
I
is.
hate her.
I know where the phone is.
There it is.
Here.
Hello, Mom?
I got her. You should use that. Hello, I'm strict. You quit first. You quit. You quit. You.
Guys, Jesus. Stop it. Stop fighting each other. Her mom is, Melissa has hurt, so you do not hold you so big, and you shut your mouth and stop saying I'm strict.
Bro, I calling to Melissa, not you, the famous girl.
Well, I'm not. Well, I have a check mark, but you don't have famous. You're not famous because stop saying, Mom, I'm famous. Like in chat and YouTube, they always say, Mom, I'm famous. What do you mean, Mom, I'm famous? Like, what the hell?
Yeah, that's exactly true. But they comment. And when they watch Cat they put like, is that rising global pop star assassination Laura Rods? They always put that. They always put like, who's watching in February 14, 2026? Like, everyone's watching. And everyone was putting like, who's in 2025? Like that. In all this video.
Hey.
Sorry.
Why do you guys have this and you're not healing your leg?
Ooh.
Thunderstorm.
Wait a second. I'm gonna do the lightning come from the house.
Oh no. Guys, you gotta run. Guys, let's go. Run.
Oh. You know what? I'm immortal to rains. Amelia, Layla, come on.
Where's the accent? Yeah, let's stay here.
Nighttime comes and there's no electricity. Wait, you already did that?
I can't see anything.
Okay,
It's
I'm gonna put
so dark.
electricity turns on. I can't see. It's so dark out there.
Me too, I can't see anything. Hello? Alyssa, come here. You can't see in the dark.
We have a strong flashlight from 99 Nights.
Oh, okay. Woof, woof, woof. Melissa, be careful. I'm gonna take the owl. Oh, come. If you die by the lightning, you'll cook. Yeah, I saved the owl. Can you talk? The hell?
Lightning strikes. Oh, I need to go there. Why does it opening door? Who's that opening the door?
That's doing that, so that's why it's opening and closing.
The tree falls down. Damn! The tree falls down.
What's happening?
Pretend this is falling tree. Okay. Let's
say here if you want for safety.
mm.
Another tree falls. There's your iPad, okay?
These are for the dog's food.
And there's your iPad.
Nah. Bina's sister or dad told us to
be careful because trees are falling.
let me off the strong flashlight from the lights. Let's go hide somewhere.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's hide in here. Here we go. Wait. Never mind. I could use it.
Can you put Big Bag somewhere? Because Big Bag stinks.
Stinks? Okay.
Hey, Kayla. We should not put Kayla in there. Melissa, where
Big
are
Bag
you?
person farts.
What about me?
Mom just chill because she has snow. When we're gonna get safe out of here?
Almost there on my tree. The tree falls. Guys, where can we hide? Baby, where can I hide? My little baby. Oh, are you okay? I'm okay. The tree falls from their house. Something happened.
I'm hiding from her, the bed. What are you doing?
The house has broken. The house has broken.
Oh, where can we live? The house was broken. So we need to pack our stuff and go to our house wearing Christmas. Yeah, that's Mom is in there. Okay, we need to take our stuff because our house is broken.
Let's go somewhere else in a vacation where Bina is. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Let's take Melissa's clothes and shoes. I'm gonna take these out for the shoes is for this bag. Right there. Her bag is yellow. I'm gonna take it. Hey!
You take all of the stuff. Never mind. Can I take the baby's?
Hi, I'm Jake. I'm gonna use this.
Okay, do it. The fire has gone.
Our electricity is here.
But it's still raining. The thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm is gone. Okay,
Okay, thank you so much.
you're welcome. I'm Jake. My name is Jake.
Jake.
What about these clothes? I forgot about them. I'm gonna use a pet box. Her hairband too. Her bag too. Her pajamas. Valentine's pajamas. Her ribbon. Glasses. I mean, her trophy. Oh,